Want to create simulations using Articulate Storyline? Let's get started. Import the screenshots of the tool in sequence to a new slide or individual slides, depending on the desired output. If producing a video, import all screenshots into a single slide. For simulations, import screenshots to individual slides. Give mouse actions to the screenshots. These can be either clickable or selectable. Add entry type interactivity for user login credentials into the ERP. Options: text entry or numeric entry. Choose the appropriate option for users to enter text or numeric values. Create software simulation training in 3 modes. Watch. This mode is like a video. Try. Users try the tool with guidance. Do. Users try the tool without hints. Manage modes with actions. Example: develop a watch simulation and add an action at the end. Jump to next slide when timeline ends. Similarly, develop try and do modes with appropriate actions. Ready to enhance your training programs? Visit our website to learn more.